এডভান্টেজ আসাম 2.0 প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী মোদীৰ তিনিটা মাষ্টাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোক। মোদীৰ তিনিটা মাষ্টাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোকে সলনি কৰি দিব অসমৰ ভৱিষ্যত। প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী মোদীয়ে এডভান্টেজ আসাম 2.0 উদ্বোধন কৰি অসমত বিনিয়োগৰ বাবে আহ্বান কৰাতে ক্ষান্ত নাথাকি এই সমস্ত আয়োজনৰ জৰিয়তে মোদীয়ে সাংস্কৃতিক, অৰ্থনৈতিক আৰু বৈদেশিক পৰিক্ৰমাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো বিশ্ববাসীক সংযোগ কৰিবলৈ খেলিলে তিনিটা মাষ্টাৰ ষ্ট্ৰোক।
Now we want to intend to set up an ultra high purity of gases manufacturing plant in Assam, for which we have already expressed our intent.
आज जो मैं देख रहा हूं आसाम में हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में जिस हिसाब से ऊर्जा हुई है, हम लोग भी आज 50,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं। आज 90% आसाम की जो जियोलॉजी है, जो पेट्रोल का एरिया है, वो गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है। 10% प्राइवेट लोगों के हाथ में है। 10% के अंदर हम भी आते हैं। हम 2 साल के अंदर 100,000 बैरल यहाँ प्रोडक्शन करेंगे।
नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी, His Excellencies Governor of Assam, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, distinguished dignitaries, and my brothers and sisters of Assam. Therefore, it is with a great pride that I announce today the Adani Group's commitment to invest rupees 50,000 crores in Assam. Our investments will span across airports, aerocities, city gas distributions, transmissions, cement, and road projects. Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Chief Ministers, Assam is on a path to greatness, and at the Adani Group, we are honored to walk this path alongside you. This is our commitment, this is our vision, and this is the promise we make today to you, to Assam, and the future we'll build together. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Most respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, Assam's Dynamic Chief Minister Honorable Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, respected Dr. Jaishankar, respected Shri Sonowal ji, respected Shri Jyotiraj Scindia. Assam indeed has the potential to develop so fast that the Southeast Asia and the East Asia will begin to look westwards towards Assam as the land of growth opportunities. And Assam's tech-savvy youth will give a new meaning to AI in the coming decades. AI will not only mean artificial intelligence, but will mean also Assam intelligence. In the previous summit in 2018, Reliance had committed an investment of 5,000 crores in Assam. Since then, our investment in the state has exceeded 12,000 crores. In the coming years, Reliance will more than quadruple this investment in Assam to over 50,000 crores over the next 5 years in the following 5 priority areas. Our first priority is to make Assam tech-ready and AI-ready. For us, Assam's digital transformation is a noble and patriotic mission. Jio has made Assam not only 2G Mukt, but 5G Yukt. We are very grateful for the people of Assam to adopt Jio with their heart. After building world-class connectivity infrastructure, we will now install high-performance computing infrastructure. Reliance will establish an AI-ready data center in Assam, which will benefit students with AI-assisted teachers, patients with AI-assisted doctors. Agriculture will benefit from AI-assisted farmers, and AI will help Assam's youth to learn from home and earn from home. Our second priority is to make Assam a hub of clean and green energy. This will include nuclear energy in line with the government's new policy to invite private participation in the nuclear industry. And Reliance will build 2 world-class hubs of compressed biogas and CBG over wastelands in Assam. This will produce 8 lakh tons of clean biogas annually, enough to fuel 2 lakh passenger cars every day. Our third priority is to help Assam become a major supplier of food and non-food consumer products to national and international markets. We will set up a mega food park which will add value to the abundant agriculture and horticulture produce of Assam. We have already set up a world-class bottling plant in Assam for our Campa Cola and Independence range of packaged drinking water. Our fourth priority is to double the number of Reliance retail stores in the state from existing 400 to 800 stores in the next 5 years. Our fifth priority is to boost high-end hotel and hospitality economy in Assam. Assam will build a luxurious 7-star Oberoi hotel in the heart of Assam. These 5 mega initiatives will also create tens of thousands of direct and indirect employment opportunities for the youth in Assam. Friends, today I am also pleased to announce a philanthropic initiative by Reliance Foundation. Assam has a rich heritage of arts and crafts. It is one of the largest producers of bamboo, which is called green gold, and Sualkuchi, the center of Assam's famous silk industry, has the potential to grow manifold in generation of incomes and jobs. Reliance Foundation, together with our Swadesh stores, would like to collaborate with the state government to promote this heritage. Most esteemed friends, I conclude by affirming that the possibilities for Assam are aseem. They are limitless. I assure our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the Chief Minister Sharma ji that Reliance will continue to remain a proud and dependable partner in this mission. And I again end with my sincere prayers to Ma Kamakhya to bless us all. Thank you.
The group has a very large, long and significant presence spanning diverse sectors in Assam. We already employ more than 55,000 people in the state. The Tata Trust, in partnership with the government of Assam, has 17 cancer hospital network. The Tata Consumer Company has 21 tea estates and 20 tea manufacturing and packaging factories in the state. And it is committed to the success of the tea industry in the state. Tata Power already has several thousands of rooftop solar, thousands of solar pumps, and more than 300 EV charging stations in the state. TCS has its training and development center for more than 10 years and has partnered with the state of Assam for automating the state administration tax systems. Indian Hotels has a couple of hotels here and has already signed up to expand into 5 more iconic hotels. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, and all our retail companies, Westside, Roma, Big Basket, and Titan, Tanishq, and many other stores have a very strong presence already and are growing rapidly. However, 2024 was the most defining year for our relationship between the Tata Group and the state of Assam. Our new company, Tata Electronics, announced the establishment of India's first indigenous semiconductor assembly and test facility in Joggi Road and put Assam in the map of the global semiconductor industry and supply chain. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. The Tata Electronics facility will have an investment of 27,000 crores and will produce 48 million chips per day. It will be the largest semiconductor chip packaging facility in this part of the world, in India and Southeast Asia, right here in Joggi Road, creating over 30,000 jobs. This facility will be a cornerstone of modern, high-tech industrialization of Northeast India, and we are committed to establish one of country's first semiconductor manufacturing clusters here in Assam. This will pave the way for us to bring and set up a cluster of small, medium, and large-size ecosystem companies. Apart from the ecosystem, this factory will bring many global companies as customers and top talent from around the world to Assam. Global customers will come from the areas of automotive, communication technology, logistics, consumer and industrial electronics, and many other sectors. Now, coming to the future, I would like to emphatically say our deep commitment to state of Assam and the Northeast. We will invest in another large manufacturing facility in electronics, urban and mobile technology in this state in the coming 5 years, which will have a similar investment and will create more than 30,000 jobs. Tata Power is committed to partner with the state of Assam in their movement towards green economy. We are already partnering with Assam for providing 500 megawatts of hydropower from our hydro project in Bhutan. And under the Prime Minister Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Yojana program, we will be putting 3 lakh households on solar rooftops. And we are looking to invest in the next 5-6 years 1 gigawatt per year, totaling about 5 gigawatts of renewable power in a variety of technologies, not only from solar, and hopefully under the guidance and vision of the Prime Minister, SMRs. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, you, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, for your pioneering mindset and clarion call to industry to realize your dream of Ashtalakshmi for the Northeast.
भारत की ग्रोथ में असम का कंट्रीब्यूशन लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है। 2018 में एडवांटेज असम समिट का पहला एडिशन आयोजित हुआ था। तब असम की इकोनॉमी 2.25 लाख करोड़ रुपए की थी। आज असम करीब 6 लाख करोड़ रुपए की इकोनॉमी वाला राज्य बन गया है।
News Desk report, The Life News.